Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check, please. All right, let me know if my sounds and screens coming okay by typing a one for me. So if you are here, do let me know. Okay, it's my sound and screens okay. Hey, hello Bong. Review Zanta lah. Oh yes, Zantat. Okay, can. Because Zanta also I watching time to time lah, but sometimes too many things, too many stocks, unfortunately. Hello, Ong. Thank you for confirming me. Thank you, Ong, as well. Okay, so today we going to look into some of the stocks that we do always talk in the group. Okay, of course. Do remind me if I forgot some stock like Wong just now, uh, Zantat. Okay, I forgot already. Let's go into that again. Sister actually has still got. Okay, sister has still got. But macam tak ada movement. But okay, we look into glove, steel, some of the stocks. Then we slowly look into some of these counters. Okay, so I think glove overall still the same. Okay, pullback completed. I think very nicely. Okay, so just let me put my pens up. Okay, there are few counters still having it FSBM, but morning I haven't got the time to check yet. So again, remind me some of the stocks. Sometimes I forgot to review and I forgot to look back again. So okay, pullback completed. I think there are two areas over here. Okay, so last Friday before market close, long weekend, I think overall still okay because the volume actually is quite low. Okay, closing on the Friday candles. Okay, let me just hide the candles here. Okay, so overall they are still low volume on your spread, but of course today so far morning is still a bit quiet. But anyway, glove actually follow the four main taiko I think you all know also So first of all, let's go into talk glove. I think they say that this if not mistaken the group posted right. Hello Kim, good morning. Hello Ruku, good morning. Okay, Notion and SNS. Okay, sure. Okay, I think they say tomorrow will be their quarterly report, if not mistaken. They're going to announce their QR result. I'm not sure how's the reaction on Wednesday, but if let's say today breaks up heat resistance, again I share it to the groups, right? I think this is the area that probably I will lock a little bit of profit. I won't go on to wait until probably Togglove release a result. Only we lock profits. Okay, so like I said, I think like last week market is quite volatile. Okay, started to a bit volatile already. Okay, and lots of so-called profit taking is happening also, right? So again, whenever you got profit, if can you lock some. Okay, again depending if you are looking for short-term trading opportunities. Okay, like for myself. Now before I proceed further, just want to do a quick disclaimer. I'm not here actually to tell you to buy to sell any stocks. Okay, I'm not qualified to do so. I do have losing trades. So again, if you wanted to follow some of the stocks that we discussed in this group, first of all, make sure your own trading plan. Okay, so at least have a stop loss or support 1 and 2 So anything that happen, you know what you should do. Okay, against a support resistance is always good. Why? Because when you buy here, sometimes it's good. Sometimes it's easy to buy a stocks. Okay, whenever people say, hey, this one coming already, still is coming already, growth is coming already, you buy. But you forgot how to do stop loss. Okay, so that is a big problem. So at least you know that whenever you enter here, it's still far away from support, then you know how many risks that you are taking. All right. So okay, now Hata so far I think still okay. Closing on Friday is good. Okay, of course this morning here still narrow candle with very low volume. Anyway, this is just the first 30 minutes. So probably before I close my section here today, we're going to come back and we look into the glove again, right? But so far it's okay a bit quiet overall. Okay, for the glove counters. Only top glove so far up a little bit. Hey, hello Calvin. Only so far top glove up a little bit. Okay, so the rest is kind of like quiet. Looks like they are waiting. Looks like they're waiting. I'm not sure. I feel that background wise they got strength. Okay, background wise they got strength, but just that need a little bit of probably a patient. Okay, for some of the glove counters. Okay, if you are waiting. Okay, if you are waiting. Hex cap. Okay, sure. I will look into hex cap as well. Now let's look into some steel counters. Okay, I think steel Friday suddenly shoot up high volume. Okay, I remember I talked to Wong as well in our group. Some of the steel counter is not my favorite. Okay, because I think I bought 2 times, 1 or 2 times it kena and always still have this kind of movement sometimes one day up or maybe 1 week up, then 1 month down already, or they will be a bit quiet. Okay, but I feel this one is slightly a bit different because the volume is kind of huge this round. Okay, And of course, the one of the counters that I'm looking into, like Mars, still all they actually break up quite high already. But I think light industry do still offer something, okay, to the resistance if let's say it managed to hit. Okay, of course today is a bit close to 34 cents already. Main one is around 40 cents, okay, which is around almost 20% of the mistaken. Definitely more than 15% like this. So one thing if you want to look into light industry is that, okay, first of all, gap. Okay, so this is also like a shakeout. Okay, they actually drop with the gaps and then they're pushing back, okay, with high volume. Of course, today we need to close above 32.5, which is the gap area. So let's say successfully close around this area. Okay, of course the closer resistance somewhere around here. The main one is around 40 cents, okay, which I think is possible, okay, for them to retest around this area here. Okay, so today morning all the steel counters still pretty hot, okay, pretty hot. Again, I'm not sure whether it will be like past experience or not. Sometimes one big show only, or maybe few days show only, then they'll pull back. Okay, if let's say it do pullbacks, maybe it's good for us to relook into that again, right? So like I say, must still already break the main resistance somewhere around here, okay. So probably not going to chase, but if you look into master, actually they also got a nice shakeout, okay, happening previously. Okay, so this candle here, shakeout completed, high volume, pull back almost a week before last Friday. They continue to test higher at the resistance level. Okay, so that's still I think they break already, but that's why I look into light industry, because I think light industry is chasing. Okay, they are chasing. So hopefully they got chance. Mayu and OMSD, sure, I will look into that. Okay, so probably we'll look into few more steel counter, because if let's say I able to profit some, okay, from my so-called glove counters. Okay, so probably I want to test, okay, some of the steel counters. Okay, previously don't have much luck like in steel, so uh you never know lah. Sometimes they wash out you several times, few months you thought that okay, there's no hope already, then that's where that they started to jalan, right? Okay, oh yeah, Mayu, I think one say Mayu lah, so let's link to Mayu lah. Also still related counters lah. Okay, Mayu overall is a bit illiquid lah. Here, this area here turns to a bit liquid already. How is the volume looks like? Okay, volume I think so far still okay lah. Boleh lah, just that a bit illiquid lah. Sometimes what happens is that during pullback market, right, mau exit a bit susah lah. This kind of counter is like that. Okay, mau exit a bit susah. But if you talk about setups, I think it's a good setup. Looks like a bottom accumulation. A bit similar to come back handle lah. But I'm not very good at come back handle, to be frank. But what I can see is that they got a little bit of COB. Okay, they got a little bit of COB. COB, which means there is a change of behavior or characteristic of the candlesticks. Okay, so for example, illiquid turns to liquid right now. All right, turns to liquid right now. So if you ask me, I think yes overall. Okay, because right now also the metal also got some so-called movement, right? So here is the main resistance. Okay, at R1. Okay, probably you can watch out somewhere this area here. Okay, hopefully it can break that. So if break, then we see a nice momentum coming up. Okay, CSC still. Okay, CSC still mostly the nice uptrend cover gaps again on last week candle. Now this one I think can so-called look for long-term one. Okay, it's a bit slow and steady type, but long-term kind of remind me of like KGB, this kind of few counters actually. Okay, it didn't really impact overall. Okay, they're still holding on the 20 and 40-day moving average. And recently also they closed the gaps. Okay, so this gap here is kind of similar like one of the counters. I'm not sure whether it's YT or not. I'm not sure whether YT are close gap or not. But here, yeah, I think it's a good setup overall for those that who want to ride on a trend, slow and steady type. Okay, so okay, now let's look into left form. Okay, this one also previously pump and dump punya lah ini. Okay, for those that who like exciting one. Okay, volume definitely is there already. Volume definitely is there. Okay, R2 level. Okay, let me just close this up lah, so you can see a bigger screen. Okay, R2 level, I think somewhere around here. Okay, very close this area here. So maybe you want to try So here is 17 cents. Currently price is 17.5 cents. To Auto probably around 20 cents. Okay, around 20 cents. So yeah lah, boleh main within the range lah. Okay, for the form. Okay, how about this tengok lagi any other steel counters, because I also tried to look one to see whether so far I do spot lion. Oh yeah, KSSC also a bit illiquid one sometimes, but this one I heard other operator. Okay, this one I heard operator, but the news is sometimes already. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call. I just want to share with you what I heard from the market. This one I heard sometimes already. I think few months back or even last year, if not mistaken. Okay, but sometimes like that. Sometimes right. Just like LGB, I think I share LGB and NCT. Okay, 6 months later only they move, because sometimes operator they need to look into a few things. Okay, when a stock start to going right. Okay, I look into Haptech later on. Remind me if I miss your stocks. Haptech at P Trans. Okay. So probably just want to share, like for example, sometimes operators like that. Okay. Few things they need to do. They need to wait for the right timing. They need to wait for the teams to start to move. Okay, if let's say no teams, there's no so-called reason for them to go in, because they don't want to push up. Then few weeks later, they people selling it. Okay, because whenever they push, right, they need a lot of efforts coming in. Okay, so I'm not sure. Let's see whether KSCC it will form a nice setup or not. Okay, but so far I didn't see it lah. Okay, TSA definitely have a good setups. Okay, oh macam datang wow, you see this one low volume pullbacks. This one is nice. Like I said, this one is a bit similar to Bangtel. Big hammer. Okay, Bangtel also got big hammer before they break, right? So today can break or not, I'm not sure, but definitely your risk to is not good anymore lah. Actually, I also forgot to follow TSA. TSA is a nice one after I saw this. Because the other day here I thought can jalan but it formed a shooting star. I'm not interested. Okay, it dropped. I thought sudah game over already. Okay, but quite surprised they make a hammer back. Okay, the deep pushing it back. So this is like a shakeout. Okay, today too bad like resistance but let's see how volume low volume low breaking up. I'm not going to like it as well. So probably we come back to look into it probably during the afternoon section. Okay, if miss because sometimes like that they break already, probably 2 days later they will make another pullback. So this is our opportunity to relook into it. Okay, Mastron tak ada setups. I don't think there's setup for Mastron. Okay, Anju, this one tak payah cakap lah, nice one lah. Okay, so I'll break lah. Suramis lah, tak payah cakap lah. This one no need to review. Air rank, no volume. Okay, the other one, okay, P metal also riding slowly. Okay, within the trend, I think it's good for those that who are looking for long term. Let's go into Pentec. Pentec also a bit similar to CSC still, but I'm not sure why I like CSC still more. Okay, so there's a quick one for steel counter. I think overall is okay. Volume is nice. Some of them actually come in with very nice volume. Of course, today no pullback. Continuation happened. So far, I think TSA is nice. Land industry is nice. Okay, so probably I will watch out. Okay, these two until end of the week. Okay, end of the week. Okay, let's review some of the counters you have for me. Then probably I go to some of my stock first. I mean the stocks that we do in the group. Okay, hide this one first. Okay, let's check again Bangtel. Like I said, I exit totally Bangtel already, but I'm still keen. Okay, I'm still keen. Okay. Tengoklah hari ni. Okay, these few days, if let's say low volume, I think I will start to watch out again. Okay, let's go into Zantat. Okay, Zantat because I'm also watching it. Okay, I think Wong also mentioned, right? Zantat. Okay, so far so good. Okay, it's a bit boring. But I feel that the setup, everything is still there. Okay, this one they are actually moving along with the 20 MA. This one much of anytime they can make a big candles. Okay, it kind of similar like PIE, even like me technology. I feel that they got other chance one. Okay, here lah. They holding bar low volume suddenly boom. Hey, today PIE pullback. Today PIE pullback. Oh, but 7 ringgit or this one 7 ringgit. Ada warrant PIE ada warrant. But sometimes market is crazy on it can go up 100% even though it's pricey. Like Tenaga also 7 something now went to 13 14 ringgits already. Am I right? Okay, let's see whether it got pullback or not. PIE got warrant. Oh yeah, cold warrants are jump. Okay, this one looks good following the mother price. This one by who? CL is by who? I need to check. PIE CL. Maybe mine warrant. A long time didn't trade warrant already. Normally I trade warrant is the company warrant. Core warrant nowadays I rarely touch. I mean sorry, the structure warrant. Okay, the structure warrant. I really touch anymore. But this one looks like okay. Right, probably later on we look into that. Okay. So Bangtel, Zantat. Okay, let's look into CowPoint. CowPoint is still got hold. Okay, HE group also. I'm waiting for them to touch the 20 MA. Okay, so CowPoint as well. Today nothing much. Okay, so if let's say they still, I believe they will still sideways lah. But one thing I want to see is that they hold above this shooting star candle. Best they hold above shadow lah. That's the best one. All right. So if not, I expect them to move sideways somewhere around here. If let's say they touch again the 20 MA, okay, probably I'm not sure next week, somewhere around next week. I will look for opportunity to top up again. Okay, somewhere around this area here. Okay, so because this is for me, they still got showing strength signal, even though the momentum is losing a little bit. Okay, so HE group. Okay, HE group, I exit totally. I'm waiting for re-entry, but maybe around 20 MA areas. So again, I will wait for 20 MA area for opportunities. Okay, Kobe. Okay, Kobe. Okay, so far so good. No comments. Sorry, no updates review. For me, still the same. Okay, they are doing a nice reaccumulation. This is a pullback complete sign. Okay, anything above here, I think is a good setups. Okay, anything above here is a good setups. So of course, currently a little bit of a challenge around the R1 area, but so far this R1 area, I don't see any major weaknesses. Even the R2 area, I don't see any major weaknesses. Yes, here a small shooting star candle, but I don't think it's a big weakness sign. Okay, for Kobe. Okay, Kobe. The other one is McLean. Okay, McLean actually I want to try on Friday one. Okay, how about today? Oh, okay. Drop, okay, but still holding on 40 MA. This one if let's say today got hammer, this one today got hammer, I think can watch out. Okay, this one let's say today got hammer. Okay, actually Friday also I'm thinking to enter McLean, but in the end I'll go for Pasukas. Okay, I go for Pasukas. Let's name the Pasukas. Okay, but watch out for so-called hammer. Okay, if let's say I think got hammer today, I will try. Okay, Pasukas. How about Pasukas? Pasukas is a bit formal. I chased 190. Actually, I queue whole day for 180, but tadapat. So in the end, I chased 190. All right. Hopefully today got something. But it's a big resistance for those that who want to trade. Okay, this is the area that a stubborn resistance, a strong resistance, a strong resistance. So hopefully this round they boleh lepas lah. Hopefully this round boleh lah. But if you don't like it because it's close to resistance, okay, you look for others. Okay, any others that miss out? Perdana, I think Perdana also a bit disappointing. Okay, Perdana actually Friday, like I said, during morning before market open, I actually wanted to try. Okay, but in the end I didn't because there are a few reasons. Normally, first of all, gap up, I don't like to chase. Like for example, what happened today in Mastila. I think ATIMS also gap up, right? If I'm mistaken. So normally when the price shoot up too fast already in the morning, okay, normally I don't like to chase. Okay, oh yeah, BDB also gap up. Okay, but sometimes I miss out all the big gainers because I didn't go for it. Okay, but one thing's for sure, right? If let's say it gap up, okay, within the first trading hour, normally it happens very fast. Okay, they drop back. Okay, volume increasing. Okay, now for me, this one I won't enter first. Okay, this one I will enter first. Okay, because probably there are profit taking coming in. Okay, there are sellers coming in. Okay, people are taking profit. So this one you have to tengok a little bit. Okay, so normally if let's say okay, for me is that morning is a good time to sell most of the time. Okay, not every time I cannot say apply for all the stocks. But whenever I want to buy stock, I will wait until 4 p.m. onwards. Okay, that's why I say sometimes I will say that this one you watch until 4:30. Okay, because 4:30 sometimes it will show a strength candles coming in. Okay, or people you will see whether got people support or sell further later on. All right, so normally I buy around this kind of area, this kind of timing. If not, I just buy part and queue. Okay, let's say hit it hit. If not, then I do decision on 4 p.m. So if morning showing momentum, but later on they gap down like this, so they drop back, okay, with high volume. So for me, this one normally I won't really look into it, okay, or I wait for a few more days, okay, for them to settle down. Then we look into that again. Okay, FSBM. Okay, anyone follow FSBM? Okay, so this one also back to support already. A bit so-called disappointing lah. Okay, I didn't really lock profit for this one because it's only up a bit. I thought it up hit here, then I will start to lock my profit already, but I didn't. Okay, a bit greedy lah, but it's okay lah. So far I think it's still okay. It's still within my entry price area. Okay, but if let's say it didn't hold, drop this S2. Okay, like I say, trading plan is very important. Drop here, I cut lah. Okay, I will cut. Okay, but so far today I think okay, as long as they are above this S1 area, I will continue watch out and see for SSBM. Okay, for those who are following. Okay, any stocks that I miss out that we talk about in the group? Okay, the other two probably I go for your stocks Infotech. Well, Infotech jalan already lah. Jalan, but let's see whether other pullback. This one other pullback. Okay, so today we got today we are up already. Okay, McLean, I watch until 3-4 p.m. I'm waiting for hammer. Okay, Infotech I think is nice, but of course I wait until 4 p.m. rules. Okay, what's the things that you want to see from McLean? Okay, first of all, they are above this candle here. I think this is a strong candles. They need to stay above. Okay, second, you want to see low volume around 4 p.m. VS can enter. Okay, later I review VS VS and K1 Okay, this one, yes, I think I will watch out. Okay, so monitor until 4 p.m. I think low volume will be nice. Okay, for Infotech. Okay, the other one is Olga Bio. This one also 3 candle come with low volume already. Today never spread low volume. I'm not sure whether it will form COC or not. Okay, but so far I think looking good. Okay, for Olga Bio. Okay, I go for a stock already before we end our section here this morning. Okay, let's go to Zanta. We done already. Notion still crazy. Every time I see Notion, I sakit hati. Okay, this one. Okay. I'm not sure what you want me to review Okay, I just read each other Okay, sometimes too strong momentum, you have to use hourly chart also to check whether got any shooting star candles, all these things. Okay, but today is one of the previous resistance area. Okay, somewhere around here. Okay, 190. Okay, previously over here, or maybe next one is somewhere around here. 206. Okay, so this will be your weekly resistance area. But again, if you are still riding on Notion, it's good to check your hourly chart. Okay, whether got any shooting star with high volume or not. But so far, I don't think so. Let's look into hourly chart. Like I said, I don't know how to review this already. Well, if I still holding right now, I think I will have another 100%. Okay. Okay. Volume still okay not too high Okay, not too high All right. So another easy way to do it is you try to ride along with the 20 MA. Okay, plenty of COC So 20 MA COC I think is good. All right, for Notion. Okay, SNS also keep going up. Okay, this also I think use hourly chart straight away. Hey, other COC. Okay, how about today? Okay, so this one also along with 20 MA I think is good. Closer support, if let's say using the hourly chart, somewhere around here. 840 840 is the area that you need to watch out. Okay, 840. So this is for SNS. So far, okay, I don't see any major weakness here. Of course, got some so-called high volume on down bar. Okay, but yeah, actually hold well with COC also. Cluster closes, okay, the nearest volume there. So it's still fine. Okay, let's go back to daily chart. We look into Haptic. Okay, Haptic also got volume on last Friday. This one is a shakeout. Yeah, I remember this counters. I think previously got few people asking this. Okay, so here, okay, but this volume is good. Shakeout, a big one. Here, another small one. Okay, good volume. Okay, so this is will be your so-called the next resistance area. Okay, you need to watch out. Okay, of course, right now it's a bit close to resistance already. So I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Uh, but overall setup is good. Okay, shakeout, reaccumulation. Then they got a pocket pivot with high volume. Okay, on last Friday. Okay, Haptic done already. HCAP. Wow, this one started pullback lah. Okay, now who's one asking this? Kevin. Kevin, you're looking for entry or exit. Okay, hopefully you're looking for exit lah. So next resistance is somewhere around here. I think it's around 80 cents level. You can watch out this level here. Okay, entry is why if let's say you're looking for entry, I'm not sure. Again, I'm not sure how to comment because first of all, risk is a bit high. Okay, but so far no weakness. Okay, so far no weakness. Right. So what you can do if let's say you're looking for support, I think this gap here will serve a nice support. 60 cents. Okay, a nice gap. Okay, and here also previously we got some support coming in around this area also. Okay, so that's has cap. My I think we done already. OMSD. OMSD. Okay, this is also a COB stock. Macam got something. Macam got something, but the setup is not that clear yet. Okay, good for those that who don't mind to buy and hold tight. All right. Okay, because there are a few things. Okay, first we do see COB. Right, there's a change of the characteristic of the wall of the candlestick and volume. Right. Second, we do see some high volume coming from bottom. Okay, of course they are changing already the volume, the style. So I believe probably they will slowly go into accumulation. Probably similar like ECA lah. Okay, because they about to change the direction with reversal, but they fail. Okay, they sideways. Macam ECA lah. Probably you need to wait for like double bottoms, then slowly they're gonna change the resistance. Okay, but so far, if let's say looking from this itself, okay, price need to go back to this level to have momentum. How much? This one is 155. Okay, 160 above lah. Maybe you want to, or maybe you want to trade along with the range. Okay, or is good. I think they're going to accumulation. But if you expect them to change direction, go into uptrend, still early. Okay, still early. Okay, let's look into P trans. Okay, P trans. Short-term data setups. Okay, P trans short-term data setups. Okay, but of course, long-term wise, they are doing reaccumulation. VCP pun fail lah. Here got macam ada satu VCP, but this one break lower already. So maybe expect them to, current support. 70 cents is the current support. Okay, so this is a reaccumulation stocks. Again, suitable for those that who want to look into slightly a bit long terms. Okay, mid to long term. Okay, currently no much setups. I don't see any setups. This is my E-frame lah. This one sometimes dia jalan tapi dia slow lagi for few months. Okay, this is my E-frames. Okay, VS. Let's turn to VS and K1. Okay, let me know any other stocks. If not, probably we will end our section here this morning. Okay, VS so far so good. I think the trend everything's still nice. It's a bit similar like SKP Resources as well. I'm shareholding SKP Resources. Okay lah, I don't see any weakness. The volume everything is still healthy. Okay, of course low risk entry, around 20 MA area. Okay, around 20 MA area, or maybe this S1 area if you let's say you want to look for low risk entry. So SKP Resources. Actually, I was also thinking if let's say they hit another 20 MA, right? Probably I will look for another top up. Okay, somewhere around here, maybe. Okay, so far also are riding very nicely, slow and steady type. Okay, slow and steady types. Okay, last one, K1. SSF. Oh yeah, SSF. Keep lupa SSF. Wow, this one apa macam mau. Okay, again, this one I'm not sure how to review. Rico, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. For exit, I think it's good. Okay, for entry, I don't know how to comment. Again, it's far away, risky. Okay, but if you ask me right now, there's no weakness sign. Okay, there's no weakness signs. If I want to look for entry, I use hourly chart, and then we look for COC for entry. Okay, so okay, now let's go into exit, assuming you already entered already. So next one is somewhere around here, which they break this morning. Okay, probably next one is somewhere around this area. Okay, got a small gap area here. 34, okay, 35 lah, 34, 35 area. Okay, it's the next resistance, possible next resistance. Okay, but looking into this type of candle, I think, yeah, I think likely to touch around the area here. Okay, last one, SSF, okay, before we end. Okay, SSF still okay. First pullback after the so-called breaking above the reaccumulation. Okay, so far still good. Okay, as long as they are still above this S1 level, the 31 cents level, I think it's okay, right, for SSF. Okay, the other one is MBSP. Also forgot. This one actually this morning I got killed 90 cent Still boleh dapat tak? Boleh dapat lah. Tak dapat okay lah, tak apa. Okay, so I queued at around 90 cents level, right exactly the gap savior. So this one also, they break from a long-term so-called reaccumulation. Okay, break high volume, which is nice. Pull back, low volume. Okay, so just try lah. Okay, ada dapat lah, tak dapat sudah lah. All right, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. So as always, I hope that this section is helpful for you. I got 22 people right now. Help me to click the like buttons if you like my section here. Help me to share this out as well. We do have this Telegram group. Okay, if you want to join us, we have a daily discussion. Okay, from time to time. So any things that we spot is nice, we will share in the group as well. All right. So with this, thank you, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, hopefully tomorrow glove other movement. Right. Thank you and see you.